Okay, so we're back. We had a few technical problems, but it's okay, we're back. So I am starting with a diagonal line going down like this.
Woo!
Then we are going to draw another little line, kind of a little bit curved like this. So tell us about Mega Gengar, Nate.
So Mega Gengar is like you know, like
then we're
like
going to just sort of next to this line that we just drew, sort of draw kind of like a half circle. So he's a giant, is he?
Yeah, he's a giant, I think.
He's like a giant version of regular Gengar?
I think he's kind of like VMAX Gengar a little
He's
bit.
like a VMAX. Okay, so we got our circle here, or half a circle. And then inside we're going to draw another circle and we're going to colour that one in. Right, so you can colour that one in. And then around that one, we've sort of got a couple of lines. It's not a whole circle.
Oh, I like to make it a whole circle.
Alright, Nate's making his a whole circle. Alright, then, sort of about here, just above that other little line that you drew, we're going to draw another oval. So I actually find circles and ovals are actually really hard to draw perfectly, guys. So don't stress and don't rush. That's right. You can go as slow as you like.
Yep.
And you can always rub out if you make any mistakes.
And remember, always pause the video if you need.
That's right. You can always pause. See, I'm going to rub out this little side here. Okay, and then in the middle, you're going to draw another little oval and colour it in.
Well, I'm gonna have to wait for my mummy because
Has Nate gone ahead again?
Yes, I have. I've drawn like the other eye.
Okay, and then if anybody is with me still, we're gonna draw another line curving up like this and sort of curves upward a little bit, only a little bit. And then we're going to draw the other eye, so we're going to draw another circle here.
Mine looks like
and we're going to
giving
come
you a look.
all the way around.
Mine looks like it's giving you a look.
Yeah, well, I mean, for our first published video, this guy is pretty angry looking.
I know. I think it looks a little bit cheeky.
But that's fine. I actually like drawing angry kind of faces. Okay, see, look at that. That looks terrible. So I'm just going to rub it out a bit, and then you can always just fix whatever mistakes you make. Sometimes I don't even fix all my mistakes straight away. Sometimes I just leave them and I come back to them later when I can be bothered. Alright, then we're going to make another little oval here and colour it in. And then we're going to do another not so full oval around that one. Alright, and don't forget his sort of anger line here.
Mine's giving me the other way a look.
Alright, so then about here, we'll just draw a little mark there, about there, to about, let's give us a reference point, so about here. Give yourself a dot, so then it's kind of like connecting dots.
Connecting dot.
Yep, you're just gonna draw a big curved line. All the way around. And if you want to be really fussy, there's sort of a curve down a little bit more down around this part. So it sort of starts less curvy and goes more curvy, if that makes sense. Yep, see, Nate and I are both erasing, and that is totally fine. So we start down here, and then we kind of come all the way around here, and back up.
The smile is so difficult. Oh my gosh.
Like I said, it is really hard drawing circles, curvy lines. They look easy, but they're not. Okay, and mine is really imperfect, but that is alright. Then, from about here, so not right at the end, you're going to start there, and you're going to come sort of down like this, and you're just gonna stop about here. So let's just stop here. Okay. And then from the corner, you're gonna come down. Sometimes I just find it easier not to do the whole thing all at once, but to start at one side and then do the other side. And then you can join them up. But again, at the end of the day, you do what works best for you guys. Alright, then his teeth. Now, in this picture, he has 5 teeth, so you've got 4 lines. But, you know, you can do as many teeth as you want. Sometimes I get inclined to draw things extra scary, so if I was doing this on my own, I would be inclined to do something like this.
Mine had a little bit.
But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do what they've got here. But like I said, you can get creative. You can give him as many teeth as you like.
I got like 5.
That's
I
fine.
put like 5 on mine.
Oh, right.
It looks a little bit cheeky.
How's it? You reckon he looks cheeky?
Yeah.
I reckon he looks pretty good.
Alright,
like then from above, he does. Then from about here, guys, so sort of just above his yellow thingy, we're going to draw a big sort of diagonal, look how wonky that is. We're going to draw a diagonal line this way.
Wee!
Yep. And then we're going to draw a smaller one coming down like that.
Wee.
Okay, can you guys see what we're doing alright? Okay, and then from about here, we're going to go straight up.
Mega Gengar. Mega Gengar.
Straight up like this.
Whoa!
So, aside from the TV show, Nate here, actually all of our family, we have been playing the Pokemon card game, haven't we?
Yeah, actually, I'm not. This the one I watched was a VMAX one. This one's this one is like a Mega. I never watched the one with the Mega, but I wonder if there is a Mega. I want to see that.
Okay, then starting from about here, we're going to do another diagonal line, but way bigger this time. So we're going to come all the way out like this.
Oh my yeah.
Okay, and then from this little one that you did earlier, from about here, not from the very end, you're going to go out, just do a little one, and then come in.
Oh my gosh, oh gosh.
Alright, then for the big one, we're about here. We're going to join that up. So it kind of, at the moment, it kind of looks like a really big ear. Okay, and then we're going to draw a little one like that. And then we're going to come in like that. Alright, I'm going to stop that bit there for now. Then I am going to, for this big one up here, I'm going to start up here. And we're going to come all the way around. So this is his head. And I'm going to stop about, let's go here. Alright. So we're going to come all the way around and make sure this one's, because this one is the side of his head, right? And because of perspective, you can't see this side of his face very well. So we're going to make sure it's kind of close to his other features. See how that's close to his mouth and eyes and stuff? And we're just going to kind of
at you.
Bend all the way around.
Well, don't bend all the way, because if you can see it.
And I am also, because adjustments, I am just going to fix my lines up a little bit.
Super strong. Did you know I actually have broke a pencil here before?
Did you?
Yeah.
What, was it one of my pencils?
No, it's my pencil. I broke it.
Alright, then about here, so this is on his other side, so it looks like his arm kind of looks like it's up a little bit, but that's because of what we call perspective. Things look smaller when they're further away from us. So I'm just going to draw a little line like that. And then about here, we're going to draw another one that kind of comes out like this. And then from about here, I'm going to draw a line that goes like that. And on this side, we've got one that, oh, it kind of goes more this way. And then we've got one that comes down like this. How are you going there, Nate? Oh, Nate's gone ahead. So I'm going to draw another one there. And then he's kind of just got these
weird
stumpy things for arms. So I'm just going to draw a few triangles like that. Alright, so how's it looking? How are yours looking? Feel free to share what you draw. I'm sure we would love to see what you draw. Wouldn't we, Nate?
Yeah, we would.
Alright, so then for the next one, this one kind of comes in front of his tooth. So even though Nate's gone ahead, I am going to start from this tooth. We can always rub bits out. And come all the way down like this for anyone who is following with me.
Please follow me. Please follow me because I'm an awesome
and then you're going to join this up. Alright. Nate, you should probably follow me a little bit more.
Okay.
Alright. Then, once you're done there, you're going to draw this little line. Then you're going to come down like this. Then, because you don't want it to look too flat, right? Otherwise it's going to look a bit weird. So, the next line is going to go from here to about here. And it's going to be curved. So, we're going to curve all the way around like this. Alright. Then, we're going to draw a triangle down like this.
Why?
Then, because this is in front of his tooth, we're going to get an eraser. I'm just going to rub that bit of his mouth out. Because obviously his hand is in front of his mouth.
Oh yeah, why did I not think of that? I'm not a good thinker.
Alright, and then we're going to draw his arm, which comes from sort of here and goes up next to his
Never follow me.
mouth. Then, the other side of his arm sort of starts here and comes all the way down. Like
Mine's
this.
staring at you.
Then his next one goes up.
Whee!
And comes down. So there's a lot of triangles in this. And then there's sort of a small one that goes up and comes down. Alright. So then all we've got left then, guys, is his back. So we're going to draw sort of another triangle here. This one's sort of big, so we're going to draw out like that. And then back in. And then just a couple of little ones like that. And then you're going to come down. Whoops. I've actually made a mistake on this. But that's alright. Like I said, art is good because at the end of the day you can often just, kind of do whatever you want. So then I'm going to do another big one going up like this.
Woohoo!
I think this is his tail.
Yeah, it is his tail. That's a
So what sort of a Pokemon is Gengar, Nate? And then his tail has this big one coming out like this.
So Gengar is like a ghost. It can be a ghost and dark.
Oh, he's a ghost and dark, isn't he?
He can be a ghost and dark.
So, like I said, we've been playing the Pokemon card game, haven't we? And Gengar, this guy, is really big in the card game.
Because I can beat Mummy's Mew and Arceus.
Okay, and then you pretty much have your Gengar. How's it looking, guys?
Mine looks weird.
Feel free to show us what you guys have. We would love to see.
Yeah.
And now I think Nate and I are probably going to get colouring. You can always edit or change anything up. But I'll probably speed this part of the video up. So feel free to copy along or pause if you need to. But yeah, we hope you had fun. Alright, Nate, let's get going.